What are simple decision-making models? Imagine you're faced with a choice and want to make it quickly and confidently. How do you decide what to do? That's where simple decision-making models come into play. These are easy-to-follow frameworks that help you break down decisions into manageable steps. They are especially helpful for first-time managers and young professionals who are still building their leadership skills. Using these models can make decision-making less stressful and more structured. One common model is the rational decision-making model. It guides you through clear steps. First, define what problem or goal you want to address. Then, gather relevant information like facts, data, or opinions. Next, list all possible options you could take. After that, evaluate each option based on how successful it might be. Choose the best option based on your evaluation. Finally, implement your decision. This model works well when you have enough time to research and discuss options with your team, helping you make thoughtful choices. Another simple model is the recognition-primed decision model. It relies on your experience and intuition. When you see a familiar pattern, you quickly recognize what's happening. You then mentally test a plan of action, called an action script. If it seems effective, you proceed. If not, you adjust your plan. This model is useful when you need to make a quick decision and have some experience with similar situations. It helps you act fast without overthinking. The Vroom-Yetton decision model helps you decide how much to involve others. It asks a series of questions to determine if you should decide alone, consult your team, or reach a group consensus. This flexibility allows you to adapt to different situations. For urgent decisions, you might choose to decide on your own. For more complex issues, involving your team can lead to better results and team engagement. The simple rules model uses a small set of guidelines to focus your decisions. These rules include boundary rules for opportunities to pursue, prioritizing rules for choosing among options, stopping rules for when to change course, and timing rules for when to act. These clear guidelines help keep your decisions focused and consistent, especially when you face ongoing or complex situations. For first-time managers and young professionals, these models are practical tools. Use the rational model for important decisions that need careful analysis. Apply the recognition-primed model when time is limited but you have some experience. Use the Vroom-Yetton model to decide how much to involve your team, which can boost their confidence and ownership. Adopt simple rules for recurring decisions or when speed is essential. Learning and applying these decision-making models can boost your confidence as a leader. They help you make clear choices, involve your team appropriately, and adapt to different situations. Using structured approaches reduces uncertainty and helps you grow into a more effective leader.